Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen. This little girl, listen, come. Listen, let's stand here. Now, how old are you?
6.
So, Blessing is 6 years old. Just this Thursday, right? Oh, beautiful. And she has been singing the beautiful melodies you have been listening to. And this same little girl is going to read for us our 8th lesson. Ladies and gentlemen, Bernard, I love what you have just done. You have just reduced it. So, ladies and gentlemen, the 8th lesson will be read for us by Miss BLESSINGBEKS.
Taken from Matthew chapter 2 verses 1 to 12. Let us hear the word of God. After Jesus was born in Bethlehem, Judea, during the time of King Herod, Magi from the east came to Jerusalem and asked, "Where is the one who has been born King of the Jews? We saw his star when it rose, and have come to worship him." When King Herod heard this, he was disturbed, and all Jerusalem with him. When he had called together all the people's chief priests and teachers of the law, he asked them where the Messiah was to be born. "In Bethlehem in Judea," they replied, "for this is what the prophet has written. But you, Bethlehem, in the land of Judah, are by no means least among the rulers of Judah. For out of you will come a ruler who will shepherd my people Israel." Then Herod called the Magi secretly and found out from them the exact time the star had appeared. He sent them to Bethlehem and said, "Go and search carefully for the child. As soon as you find him, report to me, so that I too may go and worship him." After they had heard the king, they went on their way, and the star they had seen when it rose went ahead of them until it stopped over the place where the child was. When they saw the star, they were overjoyed. On coming to the house, they saw the child with his mother Mary, and they bowed down and worshipped him. Then they opened their treasures and presented him with gifts of gold, frankincense, and myrrh. And having been warned in a dream not to go back to Herod, they returned to their country by another route. This is the word of God.
No, in fact, you're not clapping. You are not clapping. Let's give it one more time for this little angel. Blessing, Miss BLESSINGBEKS. Thank you very much, Blessing, for being a blessing to us and to your parents. Thank you very much. She has just read for us the 8th lesson.